What time did this person that you described as Chico's Twala's son, what time did he arrive there?
Lo othi bekungani kaChico Twala uye wafika ngobani isikhathi yana mhlawumbe.
Angeke ngikuzwazi uqinisekisa isikhathi ke ngilokho, but wafika nje sesiqedile ukudla siphuza ukuthi bamenzela yena angeke ngibe ne-sure isikhathi, but bese ku late, bese kutamba amanyana bese ku late.
It was already late, in the evening, late afternoon. I cannot be certain about the time of his arrival, because he arrived after we had eaten and were already taking our drinks, and then we were watching the soccer match during that time, and meal was prepared for him. It was reasonably late when he arrived.
And did you have...
No. What manner of interpretation is this? He did not say they were watching football at the time of the arrival of the Twala boy. He did indicate everything else you said, save watching football. And this is a problem that I've been noticing in this entire trial, that the interpreter interprets what they like. Let's reverse this so that you can see that I'm not making that story up.
Late afternoon. I cannot be certain about the time of his arrival.
Get to that.
I'm going to sing okay?
What time did this person that you described as Chico's Twala's son, what time did he arrive there?
Lo othi bekungani kaChico Twala uye wafika ngobani isikhathi yana mhlawumbe.
Now listen to what the witness says.
Uqinisekisa isikhathi ke ngilokho, but wafika nje sesiqedile ukudla siphuza ukuthi bamenzela yena angeke ngibe ne-sure isikhathi, but bese ku late, bese kutamba amanyana bese ku late.
It was already...
Did you hear that? He arrived, we had finished eating, we were drinking alcohol. It was already late. At no point in time did he mention football, but listen to the interpreter.
Late, in the evening, late afternoon. I cannot be certain about the time of his arrival, because he arrived after we had eaten and were already taking our drinks, and then we were watching the soccer match during that time, and meal was prepared for him. It was reasonably late when he arrived.
This is terrible. And if the judge doesn't pick up on this, if the prosecutor, because the prosecutor is the one who's leading this evidence right now, and he's not correcting the interpreter to say, but wait a minute, you are inserting that. He already spoke about them watching football when he was asked the specificity of the arrival, the time of the arrival of Longwe Twala. He did not mention anything about them watching football. And the truth of the matter is this. If he mentioned that they were watching football at the time of Longwe's arrival, that would be a disagreement with the other testimony that was given last week by Twala, right? And this is precisely the point. The point is that it seems to me even the interpretation is so biased against these guys. Now, of course, they could be lying to the court. I do not know, but it is up to the court through proper measures to unearth such lies and separate them from the truth. But the court can't create its own lies in its own record, as it is the case here. Okay, look, that's my view based on what I've just heard. What do you guys think?